Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, today we are talking about Uskomota. Guys, people, I don't know if people are just taking advantage of this poor guy or Jay. I really don't know. Hey, I really don't know. If they are not making jokes about him on Facebook, then he's trending with the wrong reason, for the wrong reasons. Jay, he's kissing girls. You can see what those girls are just doing it for the money, So I really don't know, guys. I really don't know why the poor guy is going through so much, So apparently Skomota lost a deal with Moja Love. He was supposed to have a show there on Moja Love, ne? And guess what? I don't know if it's one person or it's a team, or the person who manages him. The person who is his manager is just, I don't know, guys, or maybe I'm just overreacting. I really don't know, but I feel like these people are just using him to get what they want, and I don't even think he's aware of the money, and I don't think he's even aware of the deals that he's getting, or how much are they paying and all of that. I really don't think he's aware. So Skomota, Moja Love approached him to give him a deal, a reality show on Moja Love, but then his managers declined the deal. They said that they wanted 1 million. If they don't get that 1 million, then they are cutting off the deal. So they've been negotiating. They negotiated, which led to the disagreement of them declining the deal, So guning, but here's a statement that was released on Facebook. It says that Skomota's reality show on Moja Love TV is cancelled. So the long-awaited reality show on Thabang, Skomota Sefala, has been cancelled. This publication has been informed that the cancellation of the show is due to the channel and Skomota's team failure to agree on terms. It is alleged that Skomota's team demanded about 1 million from Moja Love channel in order to proceed with the shooting. After negotiations broke down between two parties, the channel decided to halt shooting on show, and the show will no longer air. The reality show was set to take viewers behind the scenes of Skomota's life, showing his family life and 2 girlfriends, being an orphan, and how he makes money. So, guning, guys, him being an orphan and how he makes money and rise to fame. The show was initially set to air on May 11th. However, it was postponed after numerous postponements. The show has been officially cancelled. Okay, maybe some people might view it in some ways, saying that 1 million was a lot, and some people would say no, it was not a lot. Skomota, guys, is really not that famous, to that point of demanding that amount of money, because Abo Kolimfeka and Abo Wandi, and that the show called This Body Works For Me, they got 50k each, apparently, as they said it themselves, allegedly. Guys, I don't want to get arrested and sued for something that I don't know, but also I think it was Sam, if I'm not mistaken, mentioned that they got 50,000 rand each. So I don't know, these people were just wanting this 1 million to share it amongst themselves. Okay, Bona, as the team, they also need to get something, but I feel like these people are just using Skomota to fulfill their needs. They should have just let him be on that TV show just to get exposure, and also for brands to notice him and other publications. Was robbed, Shem. He was really robbed. Hey, They should have just let him be on the show, get exposure, get brand deals maybe, and then after that they can start charging higher because he will be in demand. Good work. Hey, it is what it is, guys. Please subscribe and like this video.